In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your front headlights on your Ford Taurus. It's located on the front of the car. Using an 8mm socket, you're going to undo this bolt. Okay, next thing you're going to do is you're going to pick up these two tabs like this, using a screwdriver or something to pry it out. Try not to break them. All right, so now you should be able to just pull the headlight out. All right, so once you get your hand back there in front of the battery, you're going to want to twist this whole housing to the left. And the cover should come off. Then you can pull it away. And you're going to pick up that clip back there. You can use a screwdriver if you need to, or just use your fingers. And then you just disconnect it. Okay, you're going to want to use a pair of wire cutters or something to pry this up in a way, and try to reuse these for install. Put that off to the side, work on the other side. So the purpose is not to cut it, just to pull it up. Okay, now we can release this. And you're going to twist this towards the left and pop it out. Be careful not to touch the bulbs. If your headlight bulbs are still good, you're going to want to transfer those over. Otherwise, you have to get new ones. So to do that, you're going to twist this to the left to unlock the bulb. And you're going to pull out. Take off this cap by twisting to the left. Pull that out. Insert the new bulb, or insert your old bulb into the new assembly. Now you can place that on, and you're just going to lock it in like that. Do the same on the other side. All right, so now we are going to plug in our headlight. We're also going to put in the little directional. So you're just going to place it in, and then you're going to twist it up to lock it in. Then you're going to feed your wiring harness over these. And these little push washers go right on top to hold it in place. Now we're going to place the headlight in position. All right, there's a little notch here, and there's one here. Make sure you line those up first. So here's the wider one, and that's the more narrow one. So place it in first, then lock it in. Then you can place it in. Make sure you're all the way in. You can put your slide You can put your slide pins in now to lock the assembly in place. Now we're going to place our bolt. Using an 8mm, we're going to tighten up this bolt. Make sure you just do a quarter of a turn after you snug it up. And do the same on the other side.
Now we're going to get the vehicle ready to aim the headlights. Start with the tire pressure, making sure all 4 tires are set at the appropriate pressure. Remove any excessive weight that's not normally in the vehicle. Find a wall that you can drive up to where the ground is level. Measure 25 feet away from that wall and mark the ground. Drive your vehicle up to that mark. With the headlights off, look for the center dot in the headlight lens. Measure from the ground to that center dot. You can use a ruler to help you out. Transferring that measurement to the wall, making a mark with some tape. On the driver's side, measure down 4 inches, putting another piece of tape. For the passenger side, you only need to measure down 2 inches. Now turning the headlights on, it is easier to do this at night or in a dark area. Locating your headlight adjuster and using a Phillips head screwdriver, turn your adjuster one way or another to bring the headlight up or down. Once the headlight is adjusted to the tape mark on the wall, move on to the next headlight. If you're confused because the beams seem to blend together, you can always have someone stand in front of the other headlight while you make your adjustments for that one. Now your headlights are aligned and you're all set to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.